Hi GoPro. So as per discussion, the current battery that is in there is the functional battery. As you can see, it has the charging light on the front and the back, and it is connected to the GoPro charger. I'm just going to put my camera down and change this quickly. So hold it there. So I will disconnect the cord, withdraw this battery and insert the other battery correctly. Fully fitted. Reconnect this. And as you will see, it has no power light on either the front or the back. It is correctly fitted, pressed in, and the cord is connected correctly too.